In this video, we listed the 5 best soldering station on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. JCD8898 Pro 2-in-1 Station. The JCD8898 Pro is a 2-in-1 SMD soldering station from mainland China featuring both a hot air gun and a soldering iron. It boasts dual LCD digital displays for precise temperature control, adjustable airflow, and Fahrenheit, Celsius switching. Their hot air gun has a power output of 750 W and a temperature range of 100 to 500 degrees Celsius, while the soldering iron outputs 80 W with a temperature range of 180 to 500 degrees Celsius. With an emphasis on safety and longevity, it includes intelligent self-detection and automatic cooling functions. It is CE certified and designed to be compact and portable for personal or professional use. Number 2. BGA Rework Solder Station. The YIHUA 8586D is a 2-in-1 BGA Rework solder station combining a hot air gun and soldering iron for SMD and SMT welding repair and desoldering tasks. Key features include dual LCD digital displays, Samsung microcomputer control with PID technology for temperature stability, adjustable airflow and temperature, intelligent self-detection, automatic cooling, and an ESD design. Their hot air gun boasts 700 W power, brushless ball fan, and temperature control from 100 tilde for 50 foot C, while the soldering iron offers 60 W power and temperature control from 200 tilde for 80 C. It is suitable for unsoldering various components like SOIC, chip, QFP, PLCC, and BGA, as well as for hot contraction, heating, depainting, defrosting, and preheating. Number 3. YIHUA 982 Iron Stand. The YIHUA 982 is a versatile and efficient rework station designed for electronic soldering and repair tasks. It features a rapid heating soldering iron station that is compatible with the C210 solder iron handle, ensuring precision and reliability during use. This soldering station is ideal for professionals and hobbyists working on intricate electronic components, offering consistent performance and ease of operation. Its advanced heating capabilities make it suitable for various soldering and rework applications, providing a dependable solution for electronic welding needs. Number 4. JCD750W Soldering Station. The JCD8586D is a 750W 2-in-1 SMD rework soldering station featuring both a hot air gun and soldering iron, each with independent control and LCD digital displays. Designed for precision temperature control and space saving, it utilizes PID technology for temperature stability and includes a handle with a sensor switch for quick access to operating or standby mode. Safety and longevity are prioritized with features like automatic cooling, ESD protection for sensitive components, and self-detection functions. It's suitable for a wide range of applications, from SMD component reworking to heat shrinking and glue soldering. It's customizable and CE certified, originating from mainland China. Number 5. SUGON T21 Soldering Station. The SUGON T21 is a customizable 120W soldering station from mainland China, boasting CE and FCC certifications. It's compatible with C115, C245, and C210 soldering iron tips and features handles like T245 and T210 for temperature control, operating between 100 to 450 degrees Celsius. It uses a program chip for rapid and accurate heating and includes features like temperature display, adjustable handle bracket, copper wire cleaning brush, automatic sleep function, temperature compensation, short circuit protection, standby temperature settings, and key lock functionality, making it suitable for both beginners and professionals.